Well, good morning, my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube friends worldwide. It is Mr. Sunshine. Woo, and I'm coming to you live right here, right now in East Boca Raton. That's right, East State Boca. We were down in Palm Beach this morning. Got my clients done over there, both clients at both places, and ran down here for another client here in Boca Raton on Federal Highway, and boy, things are taking place. A little bit of journey right now. Oh, here we go. Today was a good day. Nancy. Oh, Nancy Hobbs. Hey, Nance. You know, Nance, let me tell you something. I hope you're having a great day. It is a hot one today. It's 92 degrees. I've been running around. I've got up early today. Elizabeth, Stacy. Oh, my God. The beautiful Canadian cutie. Well, let me tell you, Elizabeth. Oh, Sarah, Elizabeth, Greg. We've got, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we've got the most beautiful, well-caring women around the world. We've got Sarah down in Australia. You got Karen Niskey, the Florida babe. We've got Elizabeth. Oh, Elizabeth Stacy coming out of Canada. Well, let me tell you something, honey. Locksmith Eddy. Oh, you know, Elizabeth, it's just a matter of time. It's just the same way you want me. Oh, yes. Here you go. Here you go, Stace. Just the same way you do. That's the same way you do. That's the same way you do. That's the same way you do. Oh, it's just the same way you love me. Well, let me tell you something. Karen, it's just a matter of time before you find yourself right over here. You're just a few miles north of me, whether we're sitting at Restoration Hardware, whether we're sitting at Cafe Europe, whether we're sitting there at the bed, the autograph penthouse pool party. We're going to be styling and profiling. Elizabeth, when you're ready to come back to sunny Southwood, and we've got Sarah. Oh, Sarah, 47 degrees. Well, let me tell you something, Sarah. A hot woman like you never gets cold. All right? Hot women like you never get cold. Now, for all my Facebook friends out there, you know, as Mr. Sunshine is sitting there with his bag over here, with his purse, as you will, until one of you beautiful women want to come down here and jump in the van or in that big Rolls Royce or sit in that Jaguar, easing on down the road, going from penthouse to penthouse to penthouse, making the whole world smile. That's right. Well, let me tell you something. It's just another day. And Sarah, let me tell you something, Sarah. You tell me you love me. Here you go. Just the way you love me. Well, let me tell you something, Sarah. It's beautiful women like you, Karen Niskey, Nancy Hobbs, Stacy. We got them all lined up. All right? From one end to the other. Some of the most beautiful women. And you know what, ladies? You know what I want you to do? I want you to look in the mirror. I want you to look in the mirror. Take your glasses off. I don't care if you just got out of bed. Your hair is all messed up like you had an all-night ride. You look in that mirror and say, guess what? I'm the sexiest bitch going today. Whoa. And when you walk out of your house today and all the guys and some of them women are going to go, ho, ho, woo, look at what we got going on over there. And you're going to be strutting